Welcome to the daily update for our 6 trades a day challenge. This is the challenge where 94 days ago we put $30,000 in an account dedicated to just trading 6 0DTE SPX trades a day. Only 6 a day. You can follow along and see exactly what our fund is doing. I'm Rob Helmick. I'm a former attorney and professional gambler. My wife is Maria. She's a former banker, and we run several funds, but we do 122 SPX trades a day, and then we do a lot of trades in the futures and equities and other things in the funds. And people have asked us, could you just show us what a smaller account could do? So that's what this is all about. As you can see by the precursor here, it was a winner today. So here are the results for 6 trades a day for November 12th, 2025. Put this right here. We use a 90-day average, so it's not just showing you since the beginning. It actually would be higher results than that because we've had so many winners. But this is the last 90 days. And in the last 90 days, as of today, you can see that on Monday, we had $344 winner, Tuesday $384, and today we had $544. We've made $7,600 in the last 90 days for a 25% return in 90 days. That's pretty good. You'd 4 times that, it'd be 100% return for the year. Here's our chart. People say, oh, I want to see it in a chart. Here's the actual broker's chart. And you can see for the last 90 days, it's a little bit more. It's only 24% because 3 months ago, 90 days ago, we were up from the first 3 days. So it's been up 24% in the last 90 days. Now, all of these trades are built on back testing. They verify the presence of the mathematical advantage that we have, and that's what we use to come up with these trades. It's also what we do to come up with the 122 trades that we do every single day in SPX. Now, if you're interested in what these trades are that we're putting on and how you can get these kinds of results or how we're getting these kinds of results, look for on our channel, and I've got several videos in there that we post on Sunday with the exact trades. These are all put credit spreads and call credit spreads. They're multiple entry iron condors. They're going on for $1.85. They're coming off with a 95% stop loss. They go on at specific times, and they are ride or die. So they either close out at 95% stop loss or they go all the way to expiration. At any rate, for all the details, check out the channel. We hope you're having a great day. And by the way, the only payment we ask for is down below. If you wouldn't mind just telling us the types of videos that you like. We just started this channel, and so we'd like to know what types of videos you'd like us to make based on our experiences. Hope you have a great trading day, and we'll see you tomorrow.